Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down, then go to general management and then go to language option. That's it. Now from here you can change your language. You can see in my phone default language is UK English. If you want to add your own language, just tap on add language option and then choose your language. Also, if you want to search your language, just tap on the search icon. If I type English, then just tap on English. Then choose your region. If I select US English, then tap on set as default. And that's it. You can see in my phone language has been changed successfully. Also, if you want to go back UK English again, just select it, then tap on apply and it's done. And that is how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.